For a flat catch hem, it's a lot like a blind, but you can actually see it. So start your needle on the inside, pulling it through, then you pick up your stitches from the front of the fabric. So as I go, you'll see. And my needle is always pointing this away from the direction that I am moving. And that is what it looks like from the wrong side. From the right side, it's a lot like the blind catch stitch. You can still see these little dots. So make sure that your thread matches your fabric and you pick up as few amount of threads within the fabric each time.